In this video, we're reviewing the Mudflap fuel card to help you decide if it's the right choice for your business or if you should look elsewhere. The Mudflap fuel card is a Visa-powered fleet card designed to provide significant savings on fuel purchases for small fleets and owner-operators. With no annual fees, monthly service fees, or interest charges, it offers a straightforward and cost-effective solution for managing fuel expenses. Users can save up to 59 cents per gallon at over 2,600 participating truck stops nationwide, with potential savings reaching up to $100 per fill-up. Even when fueling outside the Mudflap network, the card provides a 2 cents per gallon rebate at any location where Visa is accepted. The card also includes fleet management tools such as spending controls, driver permissions, and simplified reporting, making it easier to track and manage fuel expenses. However, it's important to note that the card requires linking to a bank account, which means fuel purchases are charged directly to your bank account and you won't earn credit card rewards. Additionally, while many users report positive experiences, some have raised concerns about issues like pre-authorization holds and limited acceptance at certain locations. As with any financial product, it's crucial to carefully consider your business's specific needs and circumstances before applying. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more honest tech and finance insights.